Mabuhay, Kakwan! This is Carl Jason Tambado, and you're watching Weather One-on-One, your trusted one-on-one update on Philippine weather, rain or shine. As of this Thursday morning, August 7, Pag-asa is monitoring two low-pressure areas, or LPAs. The first LPA is inside the Philippine Area of Responsibility, or PAR, about 95 kilometers east of Casiguran, Aurora. It has a moderate chance of becoming a tropical depression within 24 hours. This weather system would bring cloudy skies with scattered to heavy rains and thunderstorms over Cagayan Valley, Cordillera Region, and Aurora. Metro Manila, Ilocos Region, Central Luzon, Calabarzon, Bicol Region, Mindoro Provinces, Marinduque, Romblon, and Northern Samar may also experience rain due to this weather system. Watch out for possible flash floods and landslides, especially in low-lying or mountainous areas. Meanwhile, the second LPA is still outside PAR, around 2,760 kilometers east of northern Luzon, and has a high chance of developing into a tropical depression within 24 hours. While still far, it could affect our weather in the coming days. Lastly, the Habagat or Southwest Monsoon is bringing occasional rains over the western parts of Visayas and Mindanao. Stay tuned to Pag-asa's official updates and always be ready because the skies can change quickly. That's your latest forecast from Weather One-on-One. I'm Carl Jason Tambado, reminding every Kakwan, keep an umbrella handy and stay weather-wise. Mabuti na ang